The Supreme Court of India has directed the central government to ensure that both public and private laboratories conduct coronavirus tests free of charge. Now, this significant decision comes as 166 people have lost their lives and more than 5,700 people have been infected in the country. The two-judge bench also ordered that coronavirus tests should be conducted in labs accredited to the National Accreditation Board for testing and calibration. Agencies approved by the World Health Organization or the Indian Council of Medical Research can also conduct free COVID-19 tests. A fee of 4,500 rupees being charged by the private labs for tests was found unfeasible by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court said, and I quote, "At this time of national calamity, permitting private labs to charge 4,500 rupees for a screening and confirmation test of COVID-19 may not be within the means of a large part of the population of this country. No person being deprived to undergo the COVID-19 test due to non-payment of capped amount," end quote. Now, the bench also noted that private hospitals and laboratories have an important role to play in containing the scale of the pandemic by extending philanthropic services in the hour of national crisis. The Apex Court has not decided yet whether private laboratories are entitled to any reimbursement of expenses. Less than 24 hours after the Supreme Court announced its decision, private pathology labs decided to file a petition against the order. The private labs are raising a red flag due to the financial costs that they will have to incur to comply with the court's order. The petition is likely to seek modification and clarification from the Supreme Court to secure some relief. 9 people have died and 669 people have been infected in the national capital. The Health Ministry has confirmed that more than 400 cases in Delhi are linked to the Tablighi Jamaat gathering. In Telangana, 7 people have lost their lives and 427 have been infected. Andhra Pradesh is the 5th worst affected state with 4 deaths and 348 positive coronavirus cases. Now let's take a look at other countries with free coronavirus testing. The US has made COVID-19 testing free, but the additional cost related to treatment can go up to $30,000. In the UK, testing of suspected coronavirus cases is free, but private entities charge as much as £375 for the same. In China, testing and treatment costs are borne by the government. South Korea also conducts coronavirus tests free of charge. Italy, which is one of the worst affected countries, has not only announced free testing, but also tests vigorously.